Hi Alex, this is Ashish. He got placed from Pyspiders Rajajinagar. Now he's going to share his experience in this institute.
Hi everyone, I am ASHISH Kumar Luckky. I am from Muzaffarpur, Bihar. I had completed my bachelor degree in computer science and engineering in 2023. After that, I came to Bangalore. I joined the Pyspiders Rajajinagar in October 2023. Here I learned a lot of new skills in which includes programming in Python, SQL teach by Alex sirs, Python teach by Keshav sir and Vijay sir also. Throughout the journey, presentations, mock interview, assignments, stage mock helped me a lot to build my confidence. So big thank you to all the trainers which has helped me in throughout the journey. So thank you so much.
Okay. How the grooming has been in the interview?
Okay, first, so I had good rating in the mock itself. So I get a requirement from the Pyspiders Rajajinagar. After that, the grooming session is held by Alex sir. On the grooming session, every topics which will ask in the interview itself, they will teach me and they will guide me to crack the interview itself. So the mock interview and grooming session is very helpful to me to crack the interview and build me the confidence for the further processes.
Okay. I'm going to congrats for his upcoming career.
Thank you, sir.